Hey Josh,
Hey,
what do you really think about detailing?
you know what really grinds my gears about detailing? I hate detailing when I mess up. And on this car I messed up. I messed up the quote, it's way too dirty. I forgot to say something on my pitch, and now I can't upcharge this car for how dirty it is. And yeah, it happens once in a while. I get way too comfortable with the vehicles that are coming in, and for whatever reason they might not be too bad, or I might just get a lot of return customers where they know the drill and I don't have to explain anything. Then I get somebody new or a new car and it's just crazy dirty, and I forget to say if it's excessively dirty there's going to be an upcharge, and that's what I forgot to say on this one. And this one here is crazy dirty. Maybe it's not a top 5 disaster, but it's definitely a top 10 disaster. And let's take a quick look at this thing here. I always clean the trunk. They asked me to clean the trunk specifically, but there's crazy pet hair in here, and that's an upcharge right there. There's pet hair all in this vehicle, but in the trunk it's kind of the worst. And the pet hair there, that's an easy extra $75 that I'm not gonna get for however long pet hair will take me. It could take me an extra 30 minutes. It could take an extra hour and a half. I will say something about pet hair. So this is my newest favorite tool with pet hair. I started out with the drill brush, then I really liked the rubbers, and now I got this pumice stone thing here. This pumice stone absolutely destroys pet hair. Way better than the drill brush. It's way better than a rubber. This thing is amazing. It's a complete game changer for pet hair. And this one is specifically designed for pet hair. It's really soft and it erodes really fast. I've only used this on a couple vehicles, and it was a perfect rectangle before. Let's see if we can. So this thing's pretty gross in here. It actually, it should be vacuumed before I like to vacuum before I use this, but yeah. What is that, vomit? Anyway, there you go. That's a quick example of how good it works. All right, sorry about that. So I don't know if that was the best example because it's so dirty in there you can't even tell just from a quick little demonstration, but this thing is absolute fire for pet hair. I wouldn't sleep on this thing. Okay, so on another issue with this car here, this is a 2014. It's really old. Well, I don't know about really old, but it's getting there. There's just crazy stains all over these seats. It's not really the biggest issue, but this is something that causes a lot of trouble. Detailers will know that shampooing gray seats like this that are on older cars, it can be a struggle because the stains in these gray seats will just keep coming back every time it dries. So it can be a little bit difficult. And yeah, I really wish I upcharged on this vehicle here. I definitely left an extra $75 to $200 of potential profit out the window just because I forgot to say if it's excessively dirty, I will have to upcharge for sure. And since I didn't say it, I won't just upcharge this person. So yeah, that's what grinds my gears about detailing, and why I hate detailing is sometimes you just forget to mention little things like that, and then it costs you a bunch of money, and you just have to eat it and do a good job and make sure that your customer's happy at the end of the day. Even if you're losing $75 to $150, $200 worth of extra profit. But it's whatever. I'll just do it, get it done, and hopefully on the next one I won't forget to mention that excessive upcharge. See ya.